Number 3. Lectric XP 3.0. Hey everyone! Today I want to introduce you to the Lectric XP 3.0, an amazing electric bike that's perfect for both city commuting and enjoying the outdoors. This little beast is compact and foldable, making it ideal for urban use, but it doesn't compromise on power. With its 500-watt motor and 48-volt battery, you can tackle even the steepest hills with ease. So whether you're using it to commute to work or for weekend adventures, it's got you covered. Now let's take a look at the LCD screen. It displays everything you need to know: speed, distance, battery status, clearly and conveniently. There are 5 different pedal assist levels, so you can adjust your ride exactly how you like it. The wide tires and suspension handle rough terrain well, offering great comfort. Overall, this bike really sets a new standard for both functionality and comfort. Safety is well thought out too. With powerful disc brakes, you can stop on a dime, and the LED lighting system makes you more visible during night rides. So whether you're in the city or out in nature, this bike ensures safe riding. Number 2. Rad Power Bikes Radster Road. Next up, let me introduce you to a game-changing electric bike for city commuting, the Rad Power Bikes Radster Road. This bike stands out with its sleek and modern design. Its lightweight build offers a practical and comfortable riding experience. The ergonomic seat and adjustable handlebars ensure a comfortable ride even on long journeys. Now, let's talk performance. The Radster Road is equipped with a powerful electric motor and a high-capacity battery, delivering impressive performance on hills and during acceleration. It adapts to all kinds of urban road conditions and provides a safe ride through city traffic. Additionally, with user-friendly controls and integrated lighting systems, it enhances safety for night rides. The Radster Road is the ideal choice for making your city commutes faster, safer, and more enjoyable. If you're looking for a stylish and high-performance bike for urban travel, the Radster Road is definitely worth considering. Number 1. Aventon Aventure 2. Finally, let me introduce you to a standout product in the e-mobility world, the Aventon Aventure 2. If you're looking for an electric bike that lets you ride freely in both city and rural areas, this model is perfect for you. With its 750-watt motor, it delivers outstanding performance even on tough terrains, ensuring you're never left stranded. The Aventure 2's design is both sleek and durable. Its large tires make navigating rough roads a breeze. Plus, with integrated lighting systems and robust suspension, you're guaranteed a safe and comfortable ride. And one of the best features, the long battery life. It'll keep up with you even on long distances. Whether you're an experienced cyclist or just starting out, the Aventon Aventure 2 offers a fantastic riding experience. Get ready to discover your freedom.